Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have with us our player of the game, Jordan Henning, and Coach Franco Atienza from Converge. Coach, I'll start with you. Congratulations. First back-to-back wins this conference. And well, going to this game, you were mentioning about the concerns on unpredictability ng Phoenix. And true enough, first quarter, they outscored you guys 32-15. But your team showed the ability to counter and respond very quickly. Just talk about that effort and make no excuses.
Yeah, first of all, we give thanks to the Lord. We give credit to the other team. It's a testament to how good they are. Yung standing nila, doesn't show how really good they are because they've lost 2 close games and they came out really prepared. They caught us unaware and surprised. We were down by 15 in the first quarter. At one point, we were down 18-22. So credit to their staff. It's something that they thrown our way. But we give credit to our guys, Jordan beside me. We just stuck on, didn't panic. We returned on how we want to run our system, how to run our offense, our defense. It's nice because we have 6 players in double digits. We have 19 assists, just 11 turnovers. We were racking up turnovers in the first half, but managed to bring it down in the second half. And we were playing in the back-to-back game, much so like Phoenix. I think we just stuck to it, and we were just happy to get a stretch because it's a tough schedule right now for us. After this, we're headed to out of town on Saturday. So hopefully we'll move on from this game and be prepared for that Saturday game.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Jordan, you've been doing a good job in making sure you don't just give significant contributions on offense, but you also create for your teammates. What is it about your team, your teammates, that allows you to put up such balanced performance?
I just think we've got a lot of weapons on our team, so it's pretty hard to kind of lock in on certain guys when you know all 5 guys can put the ball in the hole. And so, you know, as a guy with responsibility with the ball to make plays, you know, that makes it easy on me because I can just kind of find the open man, and I've got confidence in all these guys that they're going to make the right play as well.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Jordan, good evening and congratulations. Jordan, so far in your rookie conference, you've been scoring and dishing out assists. Basically, you're almost doing it all. So far, how's your campaign in this conference?
I rate it just how our record is. You know, that's really all I care about is just, you know, getting wins. And you know, right now 4-2, I think 4-2, and we're just going to try and keep going. You know, I'm not really focused on my own rookie campaign or anything like that. We're just all focused on taking the next steps as a team.
You guys have a massive challenge this Saturday against Ginebra. Crowd favorites, one of the contenders. You think it will be a gauge for you, for your team?
I think it's going to be a huge challenge. You know, any time that you go up in against Ginebra, you know, you got to bring your A game. And you know, there's a reason that they've got so many Gilas guys. There's a reason why, you know, they've always been at the top of the standings and always competing for a title. It's because they're a class A organisation and a wonderful ball club. So it's going to be a really fun challenge for us, and we've been looking forward to this matchup for a while.
What's yung Ginebra, anong gusto nyong achieve sa game na to? Ginebra is a contender, favorites, talent nila kahit sa ilalim meron.
Well, yeah, you've said it, the system that they have, the players that they have, and of course yung winning is coaching the league proudly in the Philippines. And we just want to compete, especially it's the 3rd day of our 3-game stretch. We just want to compete and somehow make a good run, offense and defense, bring in what we do best, and then let's see, hopefully at the end, baka we have a chance to get that game somehow. Medyo out of town pa, so we know baka yung venue it will be for sure against us. But it will be a nice test for us.
Coach, Balti at 13 rebounds late down the stretch. Was it supposed to happen talaga na laro siya late in the game, and what can you say about his progress as well?
Yeah, Balti has been added adding the needed seating and inside presence sa amin, and we are very happy to what he's bringing. Coming into the game, we know, except from Donovan Smith, medyo we have a size advantage dun sa position ng locals. Tapos medyo na foul trouble pa si Perkins. So yeah, while the import is busy with our import with CD, may chance si Balti to get those rebounds. Kaya somehow we took a chance, and nag-deliver naman si Balti. We even out-rebounded them mga 12 possessions. So there's a lot of possessions for us. And whenever makakuha kayo ng extra possessions sa game, you would like that. It gives your chances to win really high.
Coach, with Balti and Justin Arana around, how do you see yourselves competing against Barangay Ginebra also as their own bigs in Japet, experience sa bigs, Roy Rosario?
Oo. Yeah, tsaka medyo yata wala pa si Isaac. No? I'm not sure kung wala siya, pero on paper mukhang we are a bit taller. Kung import nila si JB's guard din. But mag-iiba yan when you go to the floor. I'm sure with the experience and with the veteran leadership of those guys there, mga players nila, and of course si Coach Tim, magagawa nila ng paraan yun. So we just have to be ready. We just have to be faithful on how to prepare, go there as a team, and grind it out. For sure, mahirap na game to sa amin, especially out of town against the People's Team Ginebra. But it will be worth a shot. It's something that we will relish the challenge of the Saturday.
Jordan, we just talk about growing up against Coach Tim Cone for the first time in the PBA. We all know that Coach Tim once contacted you to play for Gilas.
Yeah, I mean, that's, the whole Gilas thing, that's not really on my mind, to be honest. My mindset really right now is Converge versus, Ginebra. And, whoever's coaching that team, obviously it's Coach Tim, but, we're locked in on what we need to do to be able to beat them. And, there's no other needed motivation, there's nothing extra that's needed, we just want to beat them and give us a side,
That wraps up our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.